In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim a video on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up the Photos application you can get here at Library, and now let's open up some video that I want to trim. And now all I have to do is just tap here at Edit to be able to trim a video. And now I can, by moving the edges of that video row, trim the start and the end of the video just by dragging that kind of arrow icon. Now I'll trim the end of the video and I can hit now at done, and there I have to select save the video as a new clip or save that video in the current condition. I will select save video, and that's it. I have just trimmed that video in my phone's gallery. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.